Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome to Docentes DigitalesTV. You are about to watch the most complete video series to learn English and American culture in the easiest way possible. No complicated lessons, no stress. Just listen carefully and watch the video multiple times to improve your understanding and learning. Today, we're visiting one of the largest and most fascinating cities in the United States, Chicago. Known for its impressive skyline, deep dish pizza, and lively music scene, Chicago also has a unique nickname, the Windy City. But have you ever wondered why it's called that? Is it because of the weather, or is there another reason? Let's uncover the truth behind this famous nickname. Many people believe that Chicago is called the Windy City because of its weather. And it's true. The city does experience strong winds, especially from Lake Michigan. In winter, the wind can feel icy and powerful, making the nickname seem logical. However, weather is not the main reason behind the name. The real story comes from the late 1800s, during a time when Chicago and New York City were competing to host the World's Fair of 1893. Newspapers in New York used the term Windy City to describe Chicago, not because of the weather, but because of its politicians and promoters. They said Chicago's leaders were full of hot air, meaning they were boastful, loud, and full of big promises about their city. Despite the insult, Chicago embraced the nickname, and it stuck. Over time, people connected the name to the actual wind, and now most believe it's about the weather. In reality, it's a combination of both. Chicago's breezy climate and its bold, energetic spirit. Today, Chicago is proud of its nickname. It represents the city's history, its resilience, and its big personality. From sports teams and jazz clubs to iconic architecture and a rich cultural scene, Chicago continues to blow people away, both literally and figuratively. Congratulations on making it to the end of this video. Now you know why Chicago is called the Windy City and how the nickname became part of its unique identity. Don't forget to subscribe to Docentes DigitalesTV so you won't miss the feedback video, which is essential for reinforcing what you've learned and improving your mastery of English and American culture. Give this video a like and share it with your friends to help us grow and continue creating high-quality content for you. See you in the next video.